Ngasi District Administration Jiribam Da SINDUNA District Level Essay Writing Competition for School Children HAIBA Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Save Girl Child Educate Girl Child gi Makha Da Kasturba Girls High School Jiribam Da Pangthokkhre ngasi gi pangthokkiba essay writing competition asi category ani haibadi class 6 tagi 8 fawba ama aduga class 9 tagi 10 fawba sida Jiribam gi tongan ba school gi mahiroi singna district level essay competition asida punna mahiroi yankhai mapanna saruk yaki ngasi pangthokkiba competition asida Jiribam district ki DC Krishna Kumar IAS JDO Thaudam Amurasi Chanu MES amadi school asi gi headmistress S Horoza Singhasu competition asibu yengsenki ngasi gi pangthokkiba competition asi gi matangda DC Krishna Kumar IAS na haikibada ngasi Beti Bachao Beti Padhao gi Makha Da essay competition ama Kasturba Gandhi High School da pangthokkiba asida JDO amasung school asigi headmistress Oza Singbu thagatpa phongdokchari handak chahi asi Beti Bachao Beti Padhao gi 10 year celebration mapung fadani masi nupi macha singi phanaba amasung pukning thawatnaba pangthokpai scheme ni atai state singi nupi macha kaya manipur su yauna makhal gi sector da sarukyari maru oina nursing sector hospitality sector engineer doctor IAS MCS amasung sports sector da achauba mai pakpa oirakli Jiribam gi nupi macha singsu asumna achauba mai pakpa puraktuna Jiribam gi mingchatsu Khanghanba ngamnaba kanna hotnasi haina phongdoki.
At the end, there should be a flag bearer for all the society members, and they should bring the name of not only their family, their schools, their district, and the nation as well on the national media and international media also. We know that there are lots of examples from our Manipur itself. Many girls are there in different sectors, especially if I would say in the nursing sector, hospitality sectors, many engineers, doctors, nowadays like IAS and MCS, and also in the sports sectors, they had achieved a lot of big success. So same kind of success we are expecting from all the girls from our Jiribam district, so that they can highlight the name of our Jiribam district in the nation and international media as well. Thank you very much.